morning. How's everybody doing this morning? It's a bit nipply out here. It's actually feels like winter. Kind of feels like maybe it's supposed to be, you know, this time of year, but it won't last. It's going to be 60 in a couple days, so I'm going to try and haul out as much as I can here. There's old Crazy Auto. I'm going to give her a cold start. Wasn't plugged in, obviously. I hope it starts. I think it will. It usually starts pretty good. So what we're doing, we're coming across there's the old Shawmut grade. We're coming across here, coming in here, and throwing off the wood here. So then we can back the trucks in, you know. But this way, I'm going out my buddy's driveway, and I don't have to bond that road. And another issue with that road over there, see, like, you get down to the bottom of that road, and it is just on a blind curve on a pretty major 2-lane, Route 28. And it is just a blind turn, and I didn't even realize it, but they put a no left turn sign on there. So I didn't even realize that till recently. That was another reason I wanted to do what I'm doing, because we'd have to go down the road probably 5 or 6 miles and turn around with the trucks to... And then if I can get permission to use the lot to turn in, there's an old abandoned restaurant down in Somerville that we could turn in, but you'd have to get permission, you know. So, but anyway, yeah, that was another issue that, you know, I'd have to go right down here. And even at that, it's still a deadly spot to pull a tractor trailer out onto, because, boy, these people fly on these roads. So I feel much more confident and safe just doing what I'm doing. A little extra handling, but it's worth it, you know, in the name of public safety. But, all right, there's the old 210. I probably ought to start that up too and get it warmed up. Mikey's going to be in here loading in a few minutes, so I'll see if I can prop you guys up. We'll get a couple of cold start vids, yeah, Mom? Yeah. I don't know if this will work or not. I don't have my GoPro. I left it at the house. Mammy was unloading stuff off it. I don't know if that's going to work. I don't know if that's going to work. This thing doesn't have any way to hold it up. I'm trying to balance it. Bear with me. Such a technical genius, aren't I? I don't think that's going to work, guys. I got to find a better spot. Hopefully this stuff starts. It usually starts pretty good, so I'm hoping. Alright, let me pause you till I find... Alright, let's try this. Wish me luck now. Wasn't too bad. Only about 14 degrees out. Now we'll try Crazy Otto. Hopefully old Otto starts. Alright, wish me luck, boys and girls. Holy cripes, I need a Scott's air mask. Wow, that's some rich breath right here. Now that's a cold kitty cat. I can't believe how good that sucker whirled over though. Thing starts good. Like I said, I think it was 12 degrees when I left the house. It's about 14 now, I think. And it wasn't plugged in. I didn't think it was going to get that cold. I thought it was only going to get out of like 25 or something last night. We probably should have plugged it in. It started good though. I can use Jamie's garage to plug in. I should have. I didn't think of it. She's alive! Old Crazy Otto. I'll tell you what, that old truck sure is handy. We've used it a lot of different applications doing stuff like this, but I mean, I don't haul much down the road with it. It is road legal. It's got good tires and brakes and stuff on it. I mean, it actually goes good, but boy, just for this stuff, you can't beat it. All right, guys, I'm getting in my truck and warming up. We'll let Otto build air and warm up, then I'm gonna haul a few loads. All right, ta-ta, y'all. Have a wonderful day.